In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download voice message on Instagram. If your Android device has a built-in screen recorder, you can use it to capture the voice message. Some Android phones from manufacturers like Samsung, Google, and OnePlus come with a native screen recorder feature. If your phone doesn't have a built-in screen recorder, you can download a third-party screen recording app like AZ Screen Recorder from the Google Play Store. Open the Instagram app and navigate to the inbox containing the voice message. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings panel. Select Screen Record option if prompted. Grant permissions for recording audio. Tap on Record Audio and ensure that device audio is selected. Press the Start button to begin the record. Play the audio message in the Instagram inbox. Ensure you listen to the entire message. And stop recording once you've captured the voice message. The recording will be saved on your phone in video format. Now all you have to do is convert the video format to an MP3 file and you've downloaded a voice message from Instagram. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.